There are many ways of making melon soup, and this is one way I use in making my melon soup. So let me show you how I did this. Thank you for always stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'm Nancy Ogbebor. So these are the ingredients I'll be using, and this is my chicken. It's washed and cut into size, and I'll be using a soft chicken for this. This is my stock fish, washed already, my palm oil, my blended melon, my habanero pepper and bell pepper blended together, and this is my grinded crayfish, my onion, I have my grated ginger, curry powder, my thyme, garlic and seasoning cube. And this is my vegetable. I'll be using pumpkin for this. Feel free to use any other vegetable of choice. And this is my salt to taste. The list of these ingredients will be at the description box below, so you can check it out there. So in my pot, I'll be adding in my washed chicken, and I'll be adding in my onion, my seasoning cube. I'll be adding in my seasoning cube and the rest of my seasoning. Okay, so all that is going right in now, and I'll be adding in a bit of water. I'll add in my salt, and I'll give this a quick stir. So we'll allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. And this is after 10 minutes. I'll be adding in my washed stock fish, and we'll allow this to cook for like 3 minutes or till soft. And this is done. So we'll set this aside, and my pot is on the heat now. I'll be adding in my palm oil, and we'll heat this a bit. We are not actually frying it, but we'll just heat it a bit, and I'll be adding in my onion and my blended pepper. So we'll cover this to cook for a few minutes, and this is after about 5 minutes. So I'll add in my salt, my grinded crayfish, and we'll give this a quick stir. Please, if you've watched up till now and you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing. So my melon will be going right in now, and we'll give this a stir to combine. So I'll allow this melon to cook for about 5 minutes, and I'll be adding in my stock fish. So I'll be adding in my chicken stock to loosen it up so it wouldn't be that thick, and we'll give this a quick stir, and we'll cover this to cook for a few minutes. And now my chicken will be going right in. Look at how beautiful this is, and it tasted so good. So I'll be adding in all my chicken, and we'll allow this to cook for another 5 minutes. Just stir to combine so all the ingredients will marry themselves inside the pot. Look at how beautiful this is. So we'll cover this and cook for a few minutes. And this is ready to accept another ingredient. Whenever you see the oil on top of the soup, you know this is ready to accept the next ingredient, and we'll be adding in my washed pumpkin leaf. So the minute your pumpkin leaf is in right there, you just stir and turn off the heat, and it is done. Please don't forget to subscribe, drop your comment at the comment section, and give me a like. So this is it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.